So let's talk about what happens if something does go wrong. What's changing there?
There are two big things about speed that are coming up with this change. So if there's a loss of access to electronic patient information, it has to be restored within 72 hours or it's considered a violation that has to be reported.
From a reporting standpoint, what exactly does that mean in terms of breach notification?
That would be contacting the OCR, the Office of Civil Rights, and reporting that patient access to their data is unavailable and has been for longer than the allowed period, which is then going to trigger an investigation by the OCR.
It's a significant adjustment.
It's a very big adjustment. Another big change is that, with security breaches, the old language was notifications without unreasonable delay, and now business associates that are aware of a security breach are going to need to be reporting that within 24 hours. There's a ripple effect there. With every business associate agreement that a practice has, with any vendor touching patient data, any references to that old 60-day notification language is going to have to be updated, with vendors needing to provide written attestation or third-party verification about their technical safeguards that are actually in place and that they will comply with that requirement to report within the required time period. So new business associate agreements with basically every vendor are going to have to be established.